SMTP email. Error 422. How to resolve. Solved. Warmy blog. Welcome to our video tutorial on resolving SMTP email error 422, brought to you by Warmy blog. Today you'll learn how to tackle this frustrating issue and ensure your emails deliver successfully. SMTP email error 422 often occurs due to incorrect email settings or server problems. Understanding the root causes is the first step in troubleshooting. For Gmail users, the error might be linked to settings related to SSL and outgoing server requirements. Check and adjust these settings to match Gmail's recommended configuration. Outlook users may face this error due to similar issues. Ensure your server settings, like port numbers and authentication methods, align with Outlook's guidelines. Yahoo users can experience this error too. Like with Gmail and Outlook, verify your server settings, including the SMTP server address and port configuration. Warmy.io offers tools and services that enhance email deliverability. Using Warmy.io can help prevent errors like SMTP email error 422 by optimizing your email setup. Leveraging Warmy.io involves checking your server health, monitoring email deliverability, and making adjustments as recommended by the Warmy platform. For personalized assistance, consider consulting with a Warmy.io email deliverability consultant. Our expertise can provide customized solutions for your unique email environment. Remember, resolving SMTP email error 422 is crucial for maintaining effective communication. Follow these steps, utilize Warmy.io, and consult experts if needed to keep your emails flowing smoothly. Remember to click like and subscribe before you exit. Thanks for your support.